Taking a look at this Juilist juicer. It's a really nice juicer. It's not small, it's a larger one. It's got the, starting off with the plunger that has an index line on it, so it can only go in the one way. I really like that it comes with a tool for clearing, so you don't have to worry about sticking a fork or something in there. You got a dedicated tool that's going to go in and help clear out. It's got just a two-prong outlet with a decent sized cord, like a medium length cord. It's not so short that you can't use it away from an outlet, but it's also not a super long cord. I really like the juice. The side the juice comes out on is covered, and it's got these increments on it, but it's got a nice pour spout, and it's got this cover that kind of clips on, and this way when you've got it up next to the juicer, get that box out of the way, when you've got it up next to the juicer, it fits right on, and it doesn't, you don't have to worry about splashes or anything. And speaking of splashes, up front here, the pulp container is essentially a waste basket. Look how big that is. And that goes over the nozzle on the pulp side. So this is masticating. It's going to shove everything into that spinning disc in the center. To get in there, you'd flip this handle, so the handle comes up and locks into place on the top of the hood and you can carry it by that handle. Plungers up here, the juice and the pulp come off. You can open it up, take off the top here completely, and now you've got the disc that's real easy to clean. Locks into place. Got the, I should probably put it this way. You've got the controls on this side. Real easy controls. We'll go ahead and plug it in. Plug everything back together here. So it couldn't be easier to operate. You've just got two speeds. 1 and 2. You can hear the power there. It's nothing but motor. It's got a really good blade, plenty of place for juice, real wide open intake, and then almost a waste basket for the pulp. Really great juicer. Hope this helps.